I woke up this morning to the news that Straw, my movie with Taraji P. Henson and Tiana Taylor, is #1. And it looks like God is in the global business too, because I saw in the UK it's #1. I'm so incredibly grateful. I'm so excited. You know, as a comic who, I make my living making people laugh, to do drama, and step out of my comfort zone. Like, I'm thankful that Tyler Perry gave me a starring role and believed in me enough to cast me in the movie and trusted me enough to be able to play my character, Nicole, who was named Henrietta. But I told Tyler, we can't do Henrietta because I'm a single woman. And that right there, Henrietta will crash any kind of